Hey guys, ooh, I don't know what this hair is gonna do. Okay, it's been one of those mornings. It is a gloomy, rainy day today, but I did manage to wash my hair, do a couple videos. You gonna play in the rain? He said it stopped. Husband just went out and got something to eat. There he is with the food. What'd you get? Pizza and wings. It's not bad. It's pretty good for my first time.
We done?
Pretty good for my first time. I'm not gonna do any more because I don't want to mess it up. I'm gonna let you look at it. I didn't really crispy you up in the front because I'm scared. Here.
That looks good. It looks better than it.
And then turn your chair around. Looks good. Better than any other haircut you've gotten.
I'm gonna go take a shower and see. All right.
So, you looking good, yeah. Oh, what you gotta do when you're in quarantine? All right. I gotta clean this all up. Need my vacuum cleaner.
Oh, Scotty, we made it. Good.
I'm becoming a full-fledged hairdresser up in here. Guys, put on my glasses because my contacts, I think, were giving me a headache. So we are getting ready to take a family walk. Since it's nice outside today and the temperature is supposed to drop, we thought we'd get out. Can you see outside? Nice and sunny. We thought we would get out and take a walk together. So that is what we're getting ready to do. I did just wash my hair and braid it up so it still has some white cream in it, but that's fine. We're not supposed to see anybody when we're out anyway, and hopefully the sunshine and the warm air will help to dry it. And we're gonna take Cotton with us because he needs to get out. He's shooting. It is nice out here. I wish I had some sunglasses on. My glasses are supposed to be transition, but they ain't transition enough to be sunglasses in my opinion. But they do get a little bit darker, so. Y'all ready?
I'm bringing the ball for protection.
Protection from what?
Great dog.
You gonna close that?
Yeah.
You ready? Let's go, AJ! He's trying to get out of the wall. Let's go! He's trying to get out of the walk. See how it's a shadow, so we really need to be this way. See how that's better, the lighting? Let me see, AJ, get in here.
Get in there, AJ.
Get in here.
Get in the middle, man. Come here.
AJ trying to stay over there. He don't want to be with us. AJ, take out running and see if he chases you. Go run and dribble. Let him go, honey. Let him go. See if he chases AJ. Go, Cotty. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Cotty tired. His little legs are short. He can only take so much. He can only take so much. We'll get you some water. Hey guys, today's Thursday and I am getting ready to have lunch. We're hungry and I was struggling to figure out what to make for lunch. So when I finally figured out something, I said, well, let me go ahead and just vlog that as well. So what I'm going to make today for my son and my husband and myself is a pizza and a salad. The kind of pizza I have is called a California pizza, and it looks like this. I don't know if you guys have ever had it before, but I'm not making this one. I am making a Supreme, so it has everything on it. So it has everything on it, and we're gonna see how it tastes. And I said that I'll go ahead and make a salad to go with it to kind of just give some more, you know, food to fill them up or whatever. But I'm telling you something, I am struggling on what to prepare every day for them. So let's meet in the comment section below and share some lunch ideas for our families that we're coming up with while we're on this social distancing. So let's put some kid-friendly ones down there as well as some adult-friendly ones that will fill up a grown man who is working from home. So for my salad here, I got some cucumber, some tomatoes, got some lettuce, and I'm gonna put a little bit of spinach in it. And I'm not sure what else I'll put in it. I might put some might put some carrots, chop up some other vegetables in it, some broccoli or something like that, just to kind of make it a little bit more hearty. But so that's what we're doing for lunch today, pizza and salad. What are you having for lunch today? Let me know in the comment section below. Also drop down there what ideas you're making for breakfast, for lunches, and for dinners as well, because I know a lot of us are having to cook a lot more. Usually our kids are at school, they're eating lunch, and some of them are eating breakfast at school. Our husbands are eating lunch, so, and I'm good. I mean, if I'm at home, I can eat a sandwich, I can eat some soup, and I'm okay. But my husband, he's used to going out to lunch every day with his co-workers, with his boss, and sometimes, you know, by himself as well. But he has to pick up the litter, so if he wants to sit down and eat, he can. If he want to drive through, he can. But there's variety out there, so I'm running into variety here at home. So let's help each other out in this time of need and crisis. So let me go ahead and get started on this salad, because the pizza is going to be done soon. Alrighty, lunch is done, it's complete, bellies are full. We got chocolate chip cookies baking in the oven for dessert. My son is making those, so we'll have dessert, and then we're probably going to go out for a little bit to do a little bit of workout for him, and then I gotta figure out what's for dinner. Comment section for ideas, guys. Thanks. What's up, y'all? I am back. It's that time again, making lunch, trying to figure out what to do. So today we're gonna have shrimp scampi, salad, and garlic bread. I had salad left over from yesterday, and I bought this shrimp scampi. I don't know if you can see it. I bought this from the store because it was easy. You could either do it in the microwave, in the skillet, or in the oven. So something real quick that you can throw over pasta or whatever, but we're not going to do it like it. We're just going to have shrimp scampi just as if we were at Red Lobster, how they put it in a little dish, salad on the side, and some garlic bread. So I thought that was a little bit different, try to give a little bit of variety. Let me know if you've had this before, if you like it. So we're going to eat it today, and I'll let you know how it turns out. But again, don't forget, drop any recipes down below, or not necessarily recipes, but ideas for lunches and dinners and breakfast as well for your families while we're in quarantine, so everybody can kind of help each other out and don't have to struggle trying to think of meals to prepare. But I just want to come back and show you that. There's some of the salad that's left over with my those tomatoes are well, you saw yesterday when I was making, they're dark red, yellow tomatoes. There's a yellow one in there, orange. So they're like heirloom tomatoes. The garlic bread is in the oven. I'm getting ready to pull it out. So yeah, we're getting ready to eat. That's our lunch for today, light lunch for today, because we are trying to get a little bit fitter, a little bit more fit. We're eating breakfast, light lunches, and then we'll have a hefty dinner. So yeah, that's what we're doing today.